For decades, Westech Industrial has proudly partnered with a wide range of industries, providing expertise and solutions in the world of process analyzers. Our commitment to helping customers find the right tools and solutions has been the cornerstone of our business. Our experience spans a broad spectrum of applications and industries, from energy and manufacturing to chemical processing and beyond. At the heart of it all is our passion for delivering the right analyzer solutions tailored to our customers' unique needs. One area where our expertise truly shines is in process analyzers. We've invested heavily in developing our knowledge and capabilities, ensuring that we can provide comprehensive solutions that go far beyond product recommendations. Our team doesn't just help customers choose the right analyzers. We also offer in-house support to address challenges quickly and efficiently. By doing so, we save our clients valuable time and reduce their reliance on manufacturers for assistance. Over the years, this dedication to understanding our customers' challenges has allowed us to continuously grow and refine our abilities. Today, we are more equipped than ever to resolve issues and offer innovative solutions that keep businesses running smoothly. At Westech Industrial, our legacy of excellence in analyzers and customer support continues to grow, ensuring that you can count on us for the expertise and solutions you need yesterday, today, and tomorrow.